Good afternoon, everyone. David Paul speaking. It's about 20 past 3 on the 22nd of June. And today I'm looking at a small little share, an AIM share, that I did really well on last year. It's called Taptica. And they are strongly up over the last couple of days, trading at £3.60 on Thursday evening, the 21st. First of all, VictorVest believes it's worth £5.03, so it's significantly undervalued. The relative value, which is a measure of the price appreciation potential in relation to a AAA rated corporate bond, is 1.42. Anything above 1.3 is excellent. Relative safety is on the low side, on a scale between 0 and 2 at 0.95, indicating that the share and the opportunity, if there is one, should be in fact for those traders that can manage risk proactively without fear or hesitation. The relative timing at 1.58 on a scale between 0 and 2 tells us that the share is trending upwards strongly. And if I put together value, safety and trend, it has a very respectable VST or master indicator of 1.35. It's on a buy recommendation with the stop loss at £3.07, and we believe it's in fact going to grow earnings next year at 23%, which is quite respectable. The chart is very interesting indeed, and I want to scroll back and get to all of its trading history since it was in fact listed. This is where I did well in it last year, quite a few swing trades along the way, then broke this trend line and sold off very strongly. And for those fib scholars listening or watching, it came right down here and was actively accumulated since April and May and most of June now at a 78% retracement of its overall range since it was listed, and that period of accumulation has lasted a couple of months. It broke up very strongly, and if I go back to my earlier picture, you can see it's gapped through this little resistance trend line that I've drawn and moved up very strongly over the last couple of days. It's on a buy recommendation in VictorVest. I always like to buy the first after the first rising bottom, so personally I'll be waiting for a little bit of a retreat here and then a further break up the page to try and get myself an entry down around maybe 310, 320 level of that order. However, the best ones don't pull back, they just keep going. I think that Taptica can quite easily get back up to this £5 old high, and the technical target from the pullback, the Fibonacci target, would be up around £6. So I think it's something for you to keep your eye on over the next day or two. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.